Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to practice one of the most important questions in English. That question is, tell me about yourself.
Hi, I'm Anna. This question sounds simple, but many English learners feel nervous when they hear it. That's completely normal.
Yes, very normal. So today we're going to practice together, slowly and step by step. There is no rush.
And remember, this is not a test. This is practice.
Let's start with the first and easiest part, your name.
When someone says, "Tell me about yourself," you can simply say, "My name is Anna."
Or you can say, Hi, I'm Anna. Both are correct.
Let's say it one more time, slowly. My name is Anna.
Good. Now, after your name, you can talk about where you are from.
For example, I'm from Canada.
Let's practice together. I'm from Canada.
You can also say the city. I'm from Vancouver, Canada.
Very good. Now, let's add where you live.
Sometimes where you live is different from where you are from. For example, I'm from Canada, but I live in Toronto now.
Let's slow that down. I'm from Canada, but I live in Toronto now. Great. Now we have three parts. Name, where you're from, where you live.
Next, let's talk about what you do. This means your job or your studies.
If you have a job, you can say, I work as a designer.
Or, I work in marketing.
Let's practice one sentence slowly. I work as a designer.
If you are a student, you can say, I'm a student. I study business.
Again, slowly. I'm a student. I study business. You can also add how you feel. This makes your English sound more natural.
For example, I really enjoy my work.
Or, I like what I study.
Now, let's talk about family. You don't need to give many details.
One simple sentence is enough. For example, I have one sister.
Or, I'm an only child.
Let's practice. I have one sister.
Now, let's talk about pets. People love talking about pets.
For example, I have a dog. His name is Max.
Slowly. I have a dog. His name is Max.
Now let's talk about hobbies.
You can say, in my free time, I like reading.
Or, I enjoy watching movies.
Let's practice together. In my free time, I like reading.
Now we'll practice a very useful sentence. I like something, but I don't like something else.
For example, I like coffee, but I don't like tea.
Slowly. I like coffee, but I don't like tea. Great job! Now let's put everything together. Listen carefully.
Hi, my name is Anna. I'm from Canada, and I live in Toronto. I work as a designer. In my free time, I like reading and watching movies.
That's a very good answer. Clear and natural.
Remember, you don't need to say everything every time.
In class, you might talk more about your studies.
At a party, you might talk more about hobbies.
Now it's your turn.
Pause the video. Try to say your own answer out loud.
Take your time.
Practice again. You're doing great.
Thank you for practicing with us today.
See you in the next lesson. Bye.